Innovation is to create novel solutions for the current problems.
Is having the stamina to try bold ideas and see where they lead.
Innovation is returning the value to society.
Bringing bold ideas to life.
We aim to develop a product for plant protection that is natural, food grade, and follows a circular economy approach.
We are working to prevent brain damage during cerebral malaria, and we work with the tiny particles made by human cells to deliver an anti-inflammatory medicine directly to the blood vessels in the brain.
Dopamine, which is an essential medicine, is still produced chemically. So with NovaDopaStream, we want to develop a bioprocess to produce this compound and replace the current synthesis method.
This InnOValley proof of concept is about pontuzine, which is a small molecule we found in a marine sponge that has a strong antifungal activity against fungi, causing life-threatening fungal infections. The idea of this POC was to validate pontuzine as an antifungal drug.
I applied to the InnOValley proof of concept because it was the perfect fit to make the bridge between the scientific discoveries with the real-world applications.
It allows us to test high-risk ideas to see if we can take new directions towards new treatments and new strategies.
This is an opportunity to establish a strong proof of concept that our technology works and can be applied in agriculture.
I think that in a way it pushed me to think from a perspective that I'm not really used to.
The process of applying is very simple. Also, the flexibility of the budget, the possibility of hiring human resources, acquiring equipment to actually address the needs of our projects is very unique.
Being associated with the Oeiras Valley municipality, it also gives us more visibility, which is also essential for the next steps and for further funding applications. So the objects that I think mostly represent our project, first is a plant, because it's the inspiration for our project, and then our prototype, that is what we are giving back to the field to protect plants. And this is how we do it. Basically, we give back to the field what nature provided us in the first place.
So this is a culture flask where I culture the human brain endothelial cells. I also use the same kind of flasks to culture the Plasmodium parasite.
This is a shake flask where we actually grow our E. coli strains that are able to produce dopamine.
I have here a 96 well plate. It definitely marks the beginning of the project.
So in the future, I want to reduce the impact of cerebral malaria in children, so fewer die of cerebral malaria, and within those that survive, fewer will have brain deficits.
I see it being commercialized not only just as a product, but also as a platform of several products that can solve obstacles that exist nowadays in agriculture.
We want to secure funding to develop these strains into industrial relevant conditions.
So in the future, I want this project to really make a difference.